Nothing ruins a trip more than too much luggage. You have to pay extra, wait too long at baggage claim, and it's a real struggle lugging it around. You can solve these problems by packing light. If you can pack for a whole week in one carry-on bag, you'll save yourself time and money on your travels. Here are 7 steps to pack light for a week. Save space in your luggage by rolling your clothes instead of folding them. This way, you can pack them more tightly in your suitcase. You can also save room by layering your trousers and jackets. Let the ends hang out of your suitcase and fold the garments in on themselves. Bonus, this will minimize wrinkles, saving you an ironing job once you get to your hotel. Another space saver? Roll up your socks and underwear and stuff them in the shoes you're going to pack. Most shoes will fit 2 or 3 pairs of either. Don't forget to keep your suitcase clean, gentlemen. Cover your shoes with a plastic bag or a shower cap to prevent them from getting dirt all over your clothes. Finally, you'll also want to prevent sticky messes in your luggage caused by leaky toiletry bottles. Here's how. Cut out small pieces of plastic wrap and seal your soap bottle shut with the plastic between the cap and the bottle. Boom! No more messes. Thanks for watching, gentlemen. Why not share this video with a jet-setting friend or two?